create a reading timeline using the new timeline view in Notion and the Readwise integration. So we're here in my Notion, and you can see I've got the Readwise library opened up. And I'm going to go to the Views menu. I'm going to select Add a View, and you'll see the new timeline view, and I'm going to give this a name. So I'm going to call it the 2020 reading list. You could use whatever name you want. If you're looking at the article on Medium about this, you'll see that it's got a slightly different name in the article because I've done this a couple of times now. And I'm going to click Create. And so when that happens, it really doesn't look all that exciting. You get this list down the middle. It's got my tweets mixed up with my articles and my books and everything else. So now we're going to create a filter just to show us just our books and just those things from this year. So I'm going to go to Filter, and I'm going to click Add a Filter. Do that again. And I want my category to be just books. And you'll notice that already has narrowed down my list. And then I want my last highlighted date to be on or after. And we're going to do January 1st, 2020. Now, if you really did want to narrow this down to just your 2020 reading list, you'd actually want to turn this into a filter group. And I'll just do this because I have not done that yet. And we want the last highlighted to be, and this is going to have to be an and, is on or before, and we'll want that to be December 31st. And then that should, there we go. So that is going to show me, no matter what, statically just the books that I have highlighted in 2020. A couple of limitations of this, and talk about this on the article on Medium. Obviously, it doesn't show me where I actually started highlighting. So it just shows me the last date I highlighted it. So this is going to be a little bit off. I really do wish that Readwise, the Readwise integration captured the first day I highlighted, the last day I highlighted, and the first day a book was synced and the last day a book was synced. But you just get that last, so this is the closest approximation we can do. All right, so we're getting closer. We do have just the list of books we read in 2020, but still everything is lined up here on today's date. So we need to fix that. We're going to go over here to the three dots again. And to do that, we're going to do the timeline by. And for this, we're going to switch this to last highlighted, and you'll notice something happened there. All of these are actually, if you hover over them, you can see I read The Sorceress on January 11th, Walking the Bible January 11th, How the Bible Actually Works January 12th, and all of these other things. So you can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, that I'll start to see actually where my books are on that timeline. So you can actually start to scroll through there and see that. You can really see the impact COVID-19 had on my inability to focus and my lack of reading, but still gotten a decent amount of reading done. But I was doing a lot better at the beginning of the year when I was a little more focused. So it's kind of fun to scroll through here though and see this in this way. You could do the same thing with a calendar. I like this I like this view. I think it's kind of fun. So anyway, that is how we create our view in Readwise. Check out my other apps on Readwise. I've got a great app on a walkthrough of the Readwise Android app, and don't forget to follow me on Medium and here on YouTube. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.